Today, we're diving into the often frustrating world of OBS audio issues and how to get your sound back on track. First things first, let's jump into the core of the issue: your audio inputs. Head over to the audio mixer located in the bottom right corner of the OBS Studio interface. See those audio meters? Are they moving? If not, the first thing to check is your audio input settings. Double-click on your audio input source, like your microphone, and a properties window will appear. The most common culprit is the device selection. This is where you tell OBS which audio source to listen to. Click the drop-down menu here to ensure the correct audio device is selected: your microphone, headset, or whatever you're using to capture audio. Next, let's explore the idea of multiple audio sources. If you're using multiple audio devices, make sure none are disabled or muted in the audio mixer. Check all of your audio sources, ensuring your microphone and other devices are enabled. Still no audio? Let's navigate to Settings, then click on the Audio tab here. You can customize the default audio devices and ensure your desktop and microphone devices are properly being captured. If you have more than one device, ensure you chose the right ones here. Also check your sample rate. 441 kHz or 48 kHz are common. Beyond OBS, sometimes it's your system's audio drivers. Make sure your sound card and audio device drivers are up to date, as outdated drivers can cause conflicts. Finally, and this is a simple one, check your Windows and audio settings. Ensure nothing is muted at the OS level that would be interfering with OBS. That's it. Hopefully one of these tips got your audio back and running so you can continue creating content.